way to receive notifications. Then tonight we are talking about widespread rain. 65 right now in Knoxville, Maryville, 57 in Gatlinburg, 65 across the plateau there in Cumberland County as well. With a warm start, we warm up very quickly into the low to even a few mid-80s, 83 Barberville down to Tellico Plains, 82 Gatlinburg, Dandridge, Morristown, and Maynardville. And once again, it will be on the breezy side, making it feel a little bit muggy as well. Here's that isolated to spotty storm chance I'm talking about, starting around noon or so. So through 11 o'clock, through the lunchtime hour or so, you should be good to go. But one or two storms in the valley, better opportunity right along the plateau valley border, and then maybe one or two in the Smokies as well, 3, 4, 5 o'clock, where you're not seeing storms, or at least not close to them. We should see a decent amount of sunshine until clouds really start to stream in around sundown. That's when the line of showers and rumbles is knocking on our door. But let's stop it here. Again, low 80s for many of us. A quarter to a third of us see rain through the afternoon hours, picking up at 8 o'clock, so right around sundown. Notice how widespread it becomes, that kind of a collapsing line of showers, a few rumbles. As these collapse, 40 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts, definitely a possibility as well, especially to the west. 11 o'clock, pretty much right along the I-75 corridor, including Knox County. Midnight, just slightly to the east, kind of a slow mover. And notice we keep seeing redevelopment of light to moderate showers behind it as well. It's going to be a lot of rainfall. Still at 3 o'clock, breezy winds, lots of light to moderate rainfall. Again, the heaviest will be right at the initial starting point for that first hour or two. But even at 7 o'clock, sunrise services going to be soggy, especially Knoxville to the east. Anywhere between about half to an inch, even an inch and a quarter to an inch and a half, definitely possible in some of those heaviest downpours. We start off your Easter Sunday anywhere between mid-40s across the plateau to mid-50s for many of us around 7 o'clock. Very, very slow rebound, upper 50s to low 60s for many of us. Everyone's dry by about noon or so. I'd say about 2/3 of us, especially eastern 2/3, between about 7, 8, 9 o'clock, do see some rain, but we do dry out pretty quickly. Topping out at 65 in Sneedville, Oak Ridge, Kingston, 60 Crossville to Jamestown, with a light northwest breeze, making it feel slightly cooler. This is the moisture content through the entire air. It's going to be very humid today going into tonight. That's why we'll see some downpours. But even by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we are bone dry with that northwest wind behind the cold front. So much cooler air, much drier air. And I'm thinking this dry air stays with us through at least Thursday, even into Friday, possibly through next weekend, which means widespread rain for tonight, first couple hours of Easter, and then not a single rain chance on the 7-day. And we definitely need a lot of rain with the drought continuing to increase. Average highs up to 67 now. We're actually pretty close to that several days this week, Naomi. Tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, and then right back up above average, close to 80 by next Friday.
All right.